Aho, Mr. Walid, oh.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. How are you?
Fine, thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, new store, Sidra
Oh,
Home.
very good English, oh.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Nasa Nasser City po tayo kung saan ay papakita ko sa inyo kung saan kayo pwedeng bumili ng mga appliances. Wholesale price, ibig sabihin sobrang mura, maraming offers. Walang iba kundi ang Sidra Home. Yan po mga kapatid. Ayan si Madam, oh. So, pakita natin yung itsura. Ayun yung owner, si Mr. Walid. So guys, if you are wondering where to buy cheap products or anything that is sale, have a lot of sales or offers, Sidra Home, located in Nasser City. And there's the owner, Mr. Walid. Nasa Nasser City. So ayan po yung paligid niya. May kaharap siyang Opel, Abasa, Samir Mahran. Yung location link nasa comment section, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung nasa loob. Puro furniture siya. So maraming offers dito. Kakabukas lang nito, guys. Ayan o, mga patungan, lutuan, kitchenware, a lot of things. Comment lamang po kayo. Meron silang Facebook page. At bagong bukas na ito, kaya maraming offers. Actually marami pang stocks na paparating. Kausap natin si Mr. Walid kanina. So napakaganda ng mga collections with a very very nice price. So yung location, guys, nasa comment section. Ang ganda ng mga kutsara, oh. Tanong natin siya kung ano yung mga details, kailan nagbukas, contact numbers, etc. Well, unfortunately, guys, hindi po sila nagde-deliver. Meron silang Facebook page at ang mother branch nila ay nasa Tanta. Second branch itong nasa Nasser City. Lalagay ko yung Facebook page nila at yung exact link location sa comment section.